Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to pay yourself on Gusto. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto yet, you can use my link down below and you'll receive a $100 Visa gift card if you use my link down below to sign up with Gusto. So let's go on and get started. When you first create your account with Gusto, what you want to do in order to actually pay yourself is first add people. So on the left hand side, you want to actually go ahead and click on people and then click on team members. Now from here, this is where you want to click on the top right where it says add a team member. And then this is where you're going to be filling out all the information. So you're going to be filling out their first name, last name, preferred name, if any. You can select the worker type, employee, individual contractor, business contractor, and then email. Now, once you've added this team member, what you want to do next is actually go ahead and click on payroll on the left-hand side, and then click on payroll settings. And then this is where you're going to be setting up the general settings. So here you can set up the payroll deposit speed. If you scroll down, you can set up a pay schedule. So the team or your company will be paid every Sunday on the 21st of month, and it's set up on autopilot. You can actually add a new pay schedule as well by clicking on this button here. And with it, you can organize it by different pay schedules. So you can pay everyone on one schedule. You can pay by compensation type, you can pay by employee, and you can pay by department. But once you actually set up your payroll, again by going to the payroll settings, your payroll should now end up working, and that is how you pay yourself using Gusto. So if you're wanting to pay yourself using Gusto, you can actually just add yourself as a team member, then go into payroll settings, and then set up the pay schedule. And then afterwards, Gusto will actually pay yourself on autopilot on the desired date that you've chosen. So again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto yet, you can use my link down below and you'll get a $100 Visa gift card if you do choose to sign up with Gusto using my link. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.